Hello everyone, welcome to soundproofguide.com. In this video, I'll be talking about this brand new generator that just came out from Champion Power Equipment. This is a 2000 watt generator. It's a dual fuel, which means you can run it with both propane and gasoline. And it's touted to be one of the quietest generators on the market, making this perfect if you're either camping or a tailgating party, or if you just don't want to disturb your neighbors, because something like this is still good for a small home backup, as long as you don't want to be, backing up the entire house, of course. So we'll find out if it's too loud or not. Alright, so now I will quickly unbox this generator and I'll go through some of the key features. What's nice, it's not only a dual fuel generator, it's also parallel ready. So if you choose to buy the optional parallel kit, the space-saving design is parallel ready and can connect with another 2000 watt inverter to double your output power. And they say that it will put out 53 decibels from 23 feet away. And we will find out a little bit later in the video if this is true with our sound meter. So the first thing you'll need to do, of course, is add the oil, which is included with this generator. So the first 5 hours of runtime are the break-in periods, and during these periods, stay at or below 50% running watt if possible. After the 5 hours break-in period, change the oil. This bar is the power output, and it'll tell you how much percentage you have for power output. This is your maintenance indicator, and this is your low level indicator. When this light's turned on, the unit will automatically shut down or not start until you add oil to its required level. And this is your receptacle status. And now it's time to put the gasoline, and it's always best to put premium gasoline in any small engines, because if it's an ethanol gasoline blend, well, these blends can eventually separate, leaving a watery goo at the bottom of the tank, fuel valves, and the carburetor. The compromised gasoline can be drawn into the carburetor and cause damage to the engine. If you are going to use a fuel stabilizer, make sure that this stabilizer works specifically for ethanol and gasoline blends. Alright, now we have our sound meter and we will turn it on. So you want to have it at the choke position. So right now we have about 79 decibels, so we'll walk back 23 feet. They say that you should get about 53 decibels. And we're reading 55, 56, which is really good. Considering a few decibels more is actually not bad, considering you have the house right there causing a little bit of a reverberation. So anytime you test something like this with a sound meter, you always have to add a few decibels if you're going to not be in the middle of a huge field where you're going to get a little bit of reverberation. Now we'll be testing our machine on load, so I've got my kettle. And it's giving me a little bit higher decibel reading. We'll walk back our 23 to 25 feet. And it would give us 66, 67, which is very good with a load. Just a quick pause. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have any soundproofing questions, leave me a comment and I will answer all of your questions. It does really help my channel by people leaving comments. Thank you very much. So since this is a dual fuel generator, we'll try the generator running on propane to see if there is any difference regarding sound output. Now we'll just turn the dial to the propane mode, put it on choke, and turn it on.
Now this is quite convenient if you run out of gas and you have a barbecue running off propane while you're camping and you need to use your generator. You can just swap out the propane tank from your barbecue and hook it up right on your generator and you're good to go. Now it's showing about 72, 73 decibels, standing about 5 feet away. Now we'll be moving 23 to 25 feet away. And it is showing us 60 decibels. So it is a little bit louder running on propane than what it was running on gasoline. Now we will try it on a load, just like we did with our kettle earlier. We'll turn our kettle on. And with our kettle on, it's showing us about 66, 67 decibels, which is showing the same output of sound as when the generator was running on gasoline with a load. So if there's no load, the generator is running a little bit louder on propane. However, when the generator is running on a load, its sound output is the same whether it's on gasoline or running off propane, which is the most important part, because why would you have your generator just running if there's no load? Standing right in front of it, it is a little bit loud, but it is still only clocking at 81, 82 decibels. Now let's just try behind a glass patio door. Now of course a patio door, the glass is a little bit thicker than just a regular window, but let's just try to see how it sounds. Just to give you an idea, if you have the generator on your deck with the power out, you can barely hear it. Honestly, it's only about 55, 56 decibels on the other side of the glass. Now we will turn the generator off. All you do is turn the dial to off and shut down the propane tank and let the generator burn whatever is left of the propane in the line. So would I recommend this generator? Well, the answer is absolutely. When you're looking for a generator, of course you have to look at how much it costs. Value for money. So let's say if you buy a generator that's twice or even 3 times the price of this one, well, you have to ask yourself, is it twice to 3 times better than this one? My answer would be definitely not. So that's an important factor to look at. For the price and how well it runs, it's a very good unit. It's super quiet, it's dual fuel, and it's very simple and seamless to go from gasoline to propane. And what's great, if you need more power, well, if you already have this generator, instead of selling it and buying a bigger one, just buy another one just like this and connect both generators together, and voila, you have 4,000 watts to run more stuff in your home if power runs out. Feel free to take a look at many of our other YouTube videos and also some of our articles on our website, soundproofguide.com. Don't forget to click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and also consider subscribing to our channel if you like our content. Also, feel free to leave us a comment below if you have any soundproofing questions of your own. We will certainly try our very best to help you. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video or any other videos in our channel. Thank you very much.